Alright guys, we're kicking things off with the Laugo Alien. This pistol looks like it's straight out of a sci-fi film, but it's built for serious performance. The super low-bore axis reduces muzzle flip significantly. The fixed barrel design improves accuracy. It weighs around 40 ounces unloaded, but that weight helps tame recoil. It has a 10+1 capacity with standard mags. The gas-delayed blowback system is a cool feature. It uses gas to slow down the slide for smoother shooting. Overall, the Laugo Alien is unique and innovative. It's pricey, but offers top-tier performance. Let's see what we've got next. Next up is a blast from the past, the Whitney Wolverine. This pistol was way ahead of its time when it was first released in the 50s, and its futuristic design still turns heads today. The Wolverine is a blowback-operated semi-auto chambered in .22 LR, and it's known for its accuracy and surprisingly manageable recoil. The magazine sits in the grip, just like the Ruger Mark IV, and holds 10 rounds. One of the things that makes this gun so unique is its construction. It's primarily made from aluminum alloy, which keeps it lightweight and easy to handle. Plus, the exposed barrel and unique design give it that undeniable cool factor. If you're looking for a fun and stylish plinker with a touch of history, the Whitney Wolverine is definitely worth checking out. Let's move on to our next contender. Meet the Bond Arms Backup, a compact double-barrel Derringer. Concealable and powerful, it packs a punch. Available in various calibers, it offers serious stopping power. The stainless steel frame and interchangeable barrels add versatility. Safety features include a rebounding hammer and retracting firing pins. Ideal for close quarters, it's a lifesaver. Now let's move on to something bigger. Alright, switching gears to a rifle that's built for serious business. The POF USA Tombstone. This AR-style rifle is designed for accuracy and reliability, whether you're at the range or in a tactical situation. One of the standout features of the Tombstone is its accuracy. POF USA claims sub-MOA accuracy with this rifle, thanks to its match-grade barrel and precision-machined receiver set. It also features their E2 dual extraction technology, which ensures reliable extraction and ejection, even in adverse conditions. And with its fully adjustable gas piston operating system, you can fine-tune the rifle for optimal performance with different loads and suppressors. The Tombstone is a serious rifle for serious shooters. It's got all the features you need for precision shooting and tactical applications. Now, let's check out something a little more unique. We're talking shotguns now, and the Striker 12 is here to make a statement. This beast of a shotgun is known for its high capacity and intimidating looks. The Striker 12 is a rotating cylinder shotgun, meaning it feeds from a drum magazine instead of a traditional tubular magazine. This gives it a capacity of up to 20 rounds, depending on the drum you choose. It's chambered in 12 gauge and can handle a variety of loads, from birdshot to slugs. The rotating cylinder design also helps to reduce recoil, making it more manageable to shoot than some other high-capacity shotguns. Whether you need a home defense weapon or just want a fun gun for the range, the Striker 12 is sure to turn heads. Let's move on to a more classic design. You know you're dealing with a classic when you pick up a Colt Python. This revolver has been a favorite among gun enthusiasts for decades, and Colt brought it back with modern upgrades. The Python is a double-action, single-action revolver chambered in .357 Magnum, known for its smooth trigger and exceptional accuracy. Colt redesigned the internals for a smoother action and improved durability. They've also added a few modern touches like a fiber optic front sight and a more ergonomic grip, but the classic lines and iconic look of the Python remain intact. If you're looking for a timeless revolver with a reputation for quality and performance, the Colt Python is a solid choice. Now, let's get small again. Let's talk about a truly unique firearm, the Protector Palm Pistol. This single-shot pistol is designed for ultimate concealability, fitting discreetly in the palm of your hand. It's chambered in .380 ACP and features a double-action-only trigger mechanism. The Protector is designed for close-range self-defense situations where a larger firearm might not be an option. It's made from durable polymer and steel components and features a built-in safety to prevent accidental discharges. The Protector Palm pistol is a specialized tool for specific situations. It's not a replacement for a full-sized firearm, but it offers a last line of defense when you need it most. Now, let's finish strong. We're wrapping things up with a bang. The AA-12 Atchisson Assault Shotgun. This fully automatic shotgun is a force to be reckoned with, known for its devastating firepower. The AA-12 is gas-operated and belt-fed, meaning it can lay down a serious amount of lead in a short amount of time. It's chambered in 12-gauge and can handle a variety of loads, including Frag-12 high-explosive rounds. One of the key features of the AA-12 is its reduced recoil. The gas-operated system and unique recoil-reducing features make it more controllable than other full-auto shotguns. This is a serious piece of hardware designed for military and law enforcement applications. It's not something you'll see at your local range, but it's an impressive display of firepower. Now, this last one is a bit different. This is the XM25 CDTE, a firearm that represents a significant leap forward in military technology. This thing is a grenade launcher, but not your grandpa's grenade launcher. The XM25 fires 25mm grenades that are designed to explode in mid-air, either at a specific distance or when they detect a target behind cover. It uses a laser rangefinder and a sophisticated fire control system to calculate the exact detonation point. This allows soldiers to engage targets effectively, even when they're hidden behind walls or other obstacles. The XM25 is still in development, but it has already been tested in combat situations with promising results. It's a glimpse into the future of warfare, where precision and technology play an increasingly important role on the battlefield.